Hello, welcome to class today. So in today's class, we're going to be using the hot water method to bleach and dye this hair. So what you need is the hot water, then the bleach and the developer. You turn your bleach into the water scoops, then you stir it with a mixer, or you can decide to mix your developer and your bleach together like this. Stir it before you put it into the hot water bowl or the hot water. Then you stir, make sure you mix evenly. I'm using a mixer to mix everything together to get my desired result. So next you put in your weave or your wig inside to bleach it with the hot water. So you see, putting everything inside like this. So this is the result, but I wanted it to have more effect. I can decide to bleach it like this, so I decided to go over the same method again, but this time I'm mixing the bleach and the developer together before turning it into the hot water. Stir with my mixer, then put it over again like this. And this time I decided to put foil paper. This is after some time. I left it for over 4 hours. Then I decided to bring it out. Then I was okay with the color. Then you rinse. Make sure you rinse out the bleach and the developer with normal room cold water. Rinse and make sure it's clean and doesn't have anything in it. Then I'll be treating it with the keratin treatment. I'm using this product, so I'm going to use this concentrated keratin, and I'm going to use the instant milk keratin, mixing it together to treat the weave. You can use it to treat your weave or your wigs to give you a fantastic result. Make sure you add water into it and mix. And I'm going to be leaving it for some time, leaving the weave inside for it to be treated. And you see how it is instantly because of the milk. So I still left it for a bit, then rinse it off, rinse it again multiple times. Make sure everything is well rinsed and well placed to enable the next step work properly. So now this is hot water again. I'm going to be using the hot water method to dye our hair after bleaching. So I'm going to be using this rich burgundy from Adore. So I'm adding more to it and mixing with my mixer, adding more hot water, adding more of the dye into it like this. So now I'm putting out all the weaves inside, putting in the weaves inside like this, mixing them together. So this is what it is. I'll leave it for some time. So now after a while, this is the result. Rinse. Make sure you rinse with cold water. Please don't rinse with hot water. Rinse with cold water. Then I decided to mix the conditioners together. I used instant conditioners and Tresemme shampoo and conditioner mixed together. Use it to rinse. Then again, still rinse with clear water. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to be bleaching this. I'm going to use conditioner. So I want the tips to be a bit darker. So I'm going to use black mixed with brown dye to get my desired color. So I'm using it to apply everywhere. So leaving it after a while. Then once it's done, I rinse thoroughly. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry. So this is the result of what we just did. I hope you try yours. If there's any question, please send me a message.